Hello and welcome to Kingston Technology. On this episode, we are going to load data into a table from a .text file. So I have a file by the name staff.txt and it has some data that I want to load into my table staff. So as you can see, my table staff has 5 columns and the data, every row is a record and every data is spaced using tab. So when you're typing, just press tab once. Okay, so you need to have the data and the table to have this working. By default, we have a specific folder where you're supposed to place this file that has the data. The specific folder is found in local disk and then program data. If you cannot see this, just go to view and check hidden items and then MySQL, MySQL server, and then uploads. This is the default place where you should place your file. So as you can see, I've not placed my document here. It's because I've changed the settings and I'm free to place it anywhere. To check if this is the default place, we need to run the MySQL command line client. So with the command line client, you should type the following command. So we see that uploads is the default location where we are supposed to place the file that has the data. Now, if you are comfortable with that, you're supposed to place the file at that location. But if you want to change and have the freedom to have the file in another partition of the drive, you should follow the following steps. So to change the settings, we need to navigate back to the location that we were, program data, MySQL, MySQL server, and open this file. But before you open this file, you will not be able to save this file if you don't have some administrative requirements. So I will take you through a very brief way of doing this. Just watch and follow. Once you've done that, open this file and scroll down to the server section. This is the server section, and look for security file priv. So as you can see, this is the default location, but once you leave it empty, then you can have your file anywhere you want it to be. Once you've deleted, save and close. So now we need to restart the server so that those changes can be updated. To restart the server, you should press the Windows key and R, and then type in services.msc and run. Make sure that you close your workbench and the command line before doing this, and then look for MySQL. It's right here, the service, and then restart. So once it is done that successfully, run the command line again. Once the command line is on, let us see if the changes have been updated. If you've done it successfully, it should be empty right here. So you're ready to upload, but there is still one more step. So type the following command. and we see that the upload function is off. So you need to turn this on, and you turn this on using the following command. Yes, and then we need to check if it is on. Now we are ready to import. The next step is to get the location where our file is. So my file is at local disk D. I'll copy the path. So once you have the path, go to your workbench and write this command: load data in file, and then the path. This is the path, and then the name of the file that has the data.txt, and then into table, the name of the table, and then hopefully when we run this, the data will be imported. So we see the data has been loaded successfully, and when we check the table, we see that we have all the data that was on the text file. Same data. Okay, so basically that's how we do it. I hope yours will load successfully. If you face challenges, just go through the video, or you can ask me a question on the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please do so, so that you can help me to grow. Thank you so much. Cheers.